Hello students, this is Dr. Diaz and I'm here to talk a little bit about SN1 versus E1. I received an email yesterday night about SN1 versus E1, a student that told me that cannot determine when is SN1 and when is E1. So let's talk a little bit about this. First thing, with tertiary carbon, 1, 2, 3 here. This is a tertiary carbon. With tertiary carbon, okay, alkyl halides I will call alkyl halides, right? The tertiary carbon. So E1, generally, if you have E1, will be favored over SN1. When we have heat. So when heat is applied. Okay? So one of the things, if you see the symbol in the reaction like this, or write down heat, you know that elimination will be favored. So alcohol, for example, E1 reaction with alcohols. So I'm gonna put it here, this alcohol. Only one acid or the other group, have you seen that, is applied, is added, right? Remember, convert a bad living group in a good living group. In a good living group, right? Remember, we did this class. Imagine if I have here alcohol over here. For example, we could have those here, alcohol. So if you have an acid, so acid we always have a hydrogen, right? So this will here work as a nucleophile and extract this proton from here, and we're gonna have a water, remember? So molecule of water, but now with positive charge, which is a good living group. So living group. Okay, and then we can apply an elimination because this will leave, and then we're gonna form a carbocation over here, right? Oops. So we're gonna form a carbocation over here, and that's it. So, and then it's say like, okay, so, but then how are we gonna define if it's substitution or elimination? Let me show you. I will put this over here, okay? I do like this, will be better. So this is the positive charge over here. So if I have, look at me, if I have the acid over here, I'll mark like this A over here can be chlorine or bromine or iodine. SN1 will dominate, okay? So then we're gonna have like this. We're gonna have chlorine or a bromine or iodine over here. But if this A over here, I'm talking about this A over here, okay? So if this A over here, remember there's an acid, it's sulfuric acid, for example, or TSO, another acid that it doesn't have chlorine, bromine, iodine, and heat. So we need the heat over here. So E1 will dominate over here. And remember, E1 elimination, people, double bond. So extract a hydrogen from the beta carbon. Remember this? So most of the time, you're gonna see heat over there, and that will tell you this elimination. If you have a chlorine, a bromine, or iodine, and this acid over here, SN1 will dominate. If you don't have those halides over here, and we have a sulfuric acid or TSO or any other elements plus heat, E1 will dominate. I hope this helped you. That's it. That's all.